नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Now we are on the second topic of geometry, maths 2, that is the Pythagoras theorem. We are going to start today. We are going to start with the first part of it. Now, it is again very important topic like similarity. Now, Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, you have to see the statement. In a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So once again, in a right angle triangle, sum of the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Means, suppose this is a right angle triangle PQR. In that angle Q is 90 degree. That side opposite to it is called as what? Hypotenuse. Is it right? Then we are going to write in triangle PQR. Measure of angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. It is given. We can directly apply the formula. What is that? PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. And you are going to give the result by Pythagoras theorem. This is the basic formula. It's a very important theorem. And many places we are going to use it. Now how we are going to prove this theorem, that is there, but we'll study later on. Just see that what is meaning of Pythagoras theorem. The statement of Pythagoras theorem is, in a right angle triangle, sum of the square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of the sum of the square of remaining two sides. Means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. It is the Pythagoras theorem. It is applicable only for right angle triangle. So that's why in the right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Now keep in mind, this question may be asked as MCQ. What are the meaning of Pythagorean triplet? Triplet means a group of three. In a triplet of natural numbers, this number should be a natural number. They should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because these are the length of the side, and length of the side cannot be negative. So they should be a natural numbers only. If the square of the largest number is equal to sum of the square of remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called as what? Pythagorean triplets. और कुछ हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल हो सकते हैं ऐसे ट्रिपलेट्स कैसे, देखो 3, 4 and 5 is the first triplet. Means 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Second one is 6, 8 and 10 is again a one more triplet. Then we can write 60, 61 and they have given in textbook 60, 61 and 11. Yeah, 11, 60, 61. 11, 60 and 61. Fourth one is they have given 5, 12 and 13. Fifth one, 8, 15 and 17. Sixth one, 24, 7 and 25. Eighth one, 24, 10 and 26. So these are what? Pythagorean triplets. So if you square the numbers, like 189 is there, the square of this is what? 189. So 289. The square of this is 225 and 8 square is 64. So 9, 8 and 2 will get what this. So this is called as what? Pythagorean triplets. So what is the Pythagorean triplet once again? In a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of the largest number is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called as what? Pythagorean triplet. So please copy down this and keep in mind what is meaning of Pythagorean triplets. Copy down it properly. We are studying in a 9th standard. Just we are going to revise it. We are going to make use of it. तो शायद आपको याद भी रहेगा. Property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees triangle. If angles of triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then the side opposite to (30° angle is half of the length of hypotenuse. Or the side or length of the side. Then length of side opposite to 30 degree is half the length of hypotenuse, and length of side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the length of hypotenuse. Okay. लिख लेना है प्लीज, जितना लिखोगे उतना याद रहेगा. If the angles of triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse, half of the length of the hypotenuse, and side opposite 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. Okay, once again, if the angles of triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then the length of the side opposite to 30 degree is half of the length of the hypotenuse, and length of side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the length of hypotenuse. So this is triangle ABC. This is 90 degree. ये है 30 degree का, ये है 60 degree का. Suppose then you can write in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 30 degree, angle A is equal to 60 degree, and angle B is equal to 90 degree, and AB will be half of AC. Then we can write here we can write what? By property of 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees triangle, AB is half of AC. The reason is side opposite to 30 degree. So तुम्हें याद रहेगा, side opposite 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 times a hypotenuse. That is side opposite to 60 degree. You got it now? So this is the second property you have to keep in mind. This from 9th standard, the property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. If the angles of triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees, then the length of the side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. And the length of the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the length of hypotenuse. So this is the AB is opposite side of 30 degree will be half of AC, and BC is half opposite side of 60 degree, which is root 3 upon 2 times the AC. This प्लीज एक पूरा याद भी करना है, तुम लोग को समझना है और लिख लेना है. पॉज द वीडियो एंड कॉपी डाउन इट प्रॉपर्ली. The property of what? 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degrees triangle. If the angles of triangle, if angles of triangle are 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree, then each of perpendicular side each of perpendicular side or you can write side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. तो आप लोगों को दिमाग में रखना है एक ही चीज, ये तो तीनों दो ट्राइंगल्स अलग अलग है, लेकिन दिमाग में ये रखो कि साइड अपोजिट 30 डिग्री इज हाफ ऑफ द हाइपोटेन्यूज, साइड अपोजिट टू 60 डिग्री इज रूट 3 अपॉन 2 टाइम्स द हाइपोटेन्यूज, एंड साइड अपोजिट टू 45 डिग्री इज 1 अपॉन रूट 2 टाइम्स द हाइपोटेन्यूज. मींस ये 45 मतलब इट इज एन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल X, Y, Z. It is 90. This is 45. This one is 45. You are going to write in triangle XYZ. Measure of angle XYZ is equal to 90. Angle X is equal to angle Z is equal to 45 degree. Then by property of 45 degree and 90 degrees triangle XY is equal to, see it is an isosceles triangle, so both the sides will be equal, is equal to 1 upon root 2 times that XZ. This again you keep in mind, copy down it properly, पहला समझ लो और properly copy down करो उसको. It is must. Now we are going to start with the 10th standard syllabus, that is similarity and right angle triangle. Similarity and right angle triangle. Now ये सिमिलैरिटी का और ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का क्या रिलेशन है? तो we are going to study one theorem that we are going to study in detail now. Theorem this theorem is in a right angle triangle, in a right angled triangle, if altitude क्या होता है? परपेंडिकुलर. altitude is drawn on hypotenuse from right angle. Right angle, then the triangles obtained, or triangles formed are similar to original triangle and they are similar to each other. थोड़ा सा मैंने स्टेटमेंट चेंज किया है. In a right angle triangle, altitude is drawn on hypotenuse from right angle, then the triangles formed are similar to original triangle and they are similar to each other. Now we are going to draw a figure of right angle triangle. Okay, and name of the right angle triangle is ABC. Okay, then altitude, this is a right angle, correct? What I give to you in a right angle triangle, if altitude is drawn, altitude मतलब होता है perpendicular. Perpendicular is drawn from the on hypotenuse from right angle, then the triangles obtained or triangles are formed, they are similar to original triangle. Means what is given to you in triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and segment BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC and E, D and C are collinear points. This part is given. Now what they are asked to prove? They asked to prove that the triangles obtained, which are the triangles obtained? This is triangle ADB, this triangle BDC. So they are similar to original triangle. So what you are going to prove is triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Then triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. And triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. That all the things we are going to prove. Achha, how to prove? We are going to take in triangle ADB, ये पहला देते हैं, and triangle ABC. Triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Angle DAB is congruent to angle BAC. It is actually a common angle. Correct? And angle ADB is congruent to angle ABC. You can write each of measure 90 degree. Each of measure 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by AA test. So this we got, and I am going to take it as equation 1. इज इट राइट? समझ में आया तुम लोग को? या इसे इक्वेशन 1 आगे लिख लो और यहां लिखना है बाय ए टेस्ट। एकदम सिंपल है, देखो वापस से। In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn from the right angle to the hypotenuse, then triangles obtained on either side are similar to original triangle. Means ADB is similar to triangle ABC, BDC is also similar to triangle ABC, and now we have to prove that they are also similar to each other. So now we are going to take in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Then I am going to write that angle BCD is congruent to angle ACB, common angle, and angle BDC is congruent to angle ABC, each of measure 90 degree. Therefore, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC by AA test. Or we can write it, take it as equation 2. You also put in a box and we are going to write by AA test. अब देखो कितना सिंपल सी चीज आ गई कि अगर ADB किसको सिमिलर है? ABC को। BDC भी किसको सिमिलर है? ABC को। अब वो डायग्राम को नहीं देखा, बट फर्स्ट एंगल इज सिमिलर टू सेकंड एंड सेकंड इज सिमिलर टू थर्ड, मतलब फ्रॉम 1 and 2 what I can write, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC by transitivity. ये नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा, from 1 and 2 is enough. This is the third proof. Once again, this is a very important first theorem of Pythagoras theorem. In a chapter Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, if altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse from right angle, then the triangles formed are similar to original triangle. These are the two triangles formed. They are similar to original triangle and they are similar to each other. So in triangle ABC, right angle triangle है, altitude that is BD is drawn to the hypotenuse, then triangles obtained. But you have to write all this in triangle ABC is equal to 90 degree, BD is similar perpendicular to hypotenuse AC, ADC are coordinate points. To prove ADB is similar to triangle ABC, BDC is also similar to triangle ABC, ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Proof: in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, DAB is similar to triangle BAC, common angle, and ADB is similar to triangle ABC, each of measure 90 degree. So ADB is similar to triangle ABC by AA test, and triangle BDC and ABC we got again by AA test. So when ADB is similar to triangle ABC, BDC is also similar to triangle ABC, means these two triangles are similar to each other. Please students, copy down it properly and you are going to write this theorem 5 times. Okay? And you are going to send me. I'll see that. मुझे तुम्हें WhatsApp करना है क्वेश्चन को. And while writing, first 2 times you are going to see how I have written, and remaining 3 times you are going to write your own. तभी आपको कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. ये theorem बोर्ड में आने के चांसेस है. Copy down this. The property of similarity in right angle triangle में वापस एक बार मैं रिपीट करता हूं तुम लोगों को. अगर ये ट्राइंगल PQR है, करेक्ट, और ये परपेंडिकुलर है S, देन वंस अगेन इन ट्राइंगल PQR, measure of angle PQR is equal to 90 degree and segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Then triangle, see how I would write P करेक्ट, और ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का भी पी लेंगे हम लोग, बट ये छोटे ट्राइंगल में, करेक्ट, ये छोटे ट्राइंगल में ये 90 डिग्री है और इसके बड़े का ये 90 डिग्री है, तो एस के साथ लेंगे क्यू। अब ये पी एस क्यू का खाली क्यू रह गया एंड यहां लिखना है आर। स्टार्टिंग ऐसे करेंगे, सो दे आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर, करेक्ट। अगेन ट्राइंगल, अगर मैं ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर ले लूं, अब इसके साथ कंपेयर करना है छोटे ट्राइंगल के साथ, तो आर के साथ आर रहेगा बिकॉज दे आर कॉमन एंगल। जब ये क्यू 90 है तो इसका एस 90 है, और कौन सा गया क्यू। द रीजन लिखना है बाय थियरम ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, बाय थियरम ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। ओके, थियरम ऑफ व्हाट, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। अगर यही क्वेश्चन ऐसा आ गया, दिस इज राइट एंगल, से डीएफ और ये ड्रॉ हुआ है टी, तो मैं इसमें ये 90 डिग्री है, सो एंगल डी टीई इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल डीएफ। अगेन यहां पे लेंगे डीएफ, मतलब यहां पे कैसा रहेगा, ट्राइंगल ई के साथ लेंगे डीई एफ है ना, एफ के साथ लेंगे एफ, करेक्ट, और ई 90 डिग्री यहां टी 90 डिग्री रहेगा और यहां रहेगा ईटीएफ, दे आर सिमिलर। और रीजन क्या लिखेंगे, सिमिलैरिटी इन राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। अब प्रॉब्लम आता है इन दोनों को कैसा लेना है, फर्स्ट और सेकंड कैसा लेंगे, तो मैं इस तरह से ले रहा, देखो ये इसका मेजर एंगल है ना, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का ये मेजर है और ये मेजर है, तो और इसको हम लोग छोटा लेते हैं माइनर, ऐसा यूज करेंगे। तो कैसा जाएगा, देखो ए मेजर के साथ इसका माइनर इज क्यू, एस के साथ एस बिकॉज बोथ आर राइट एंगल, और इसका जब माइनर रहेगा तब ये इसका मेजर लेंगे, दे आर सिमिलर। वंस अगेन P और R को मैं राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल PQR का मेन एंगल्स मान रहा हूं, उसको मेजर बोलते हैं। तो ये मेजर के साथ ये दो ट्राइंगल 1 और 2 में ये मेजर के साथ माइनर, राइट एंगल के साथ राइट एंगल, माइनर के साथ मेजर, उस तरह से सोचना है। अब यहां देखो, यहां पे कैसा होगा, D और F आर मेजर, तो ये एंगल 1 और 2 में कैसा करेंगे, एंगल D के साथ D इज मेजर, तब E इज माइनर, T के साथ T, अब कौन सा रह गया E, तो यहां रहेगा F, तो ट्राइंगल DE DTE इज सिमिलर ट्राइंगल EF ETF, so that is again reason is same by similarity of right angle triangle। इतना तुम लोग जरा ध्यान देके करो, अगर तुम्हें डाउट रहेगा तो एक बार, अगर तुम्हें लिखना तो लिखो, नहीं लिखना तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन समझ लो इसको। ओके, अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थियरम, दैट इज थियरम ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन। इसका स्टेटमेंट देखो क्या दिया है, इन अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल with a perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse, perpendicular run from the right angle to the hypotenuse, that segment from the opposite vertex, that is opposite vertex right angle only, is geometric mean। ये हमें थोड़ा सा वर्ड सुना लग रहा है, लेकिन geometric mean है क्या, of the segment into which a segment is hypotenuse is divided। हमने लास्ट ईयर रेशियो एंड प्रपोर्शन में एक ए बी सी आर इन कंटिन्यूड प्रपोर्शन पढ़ा था हमने कंटिन्यूड प्रपोर्शन। इन कंटिन्यूड प्रपोर्शन का मतलब होता है ए अपॉन बी इज इक्वल टू बी अपॉन सी, तो ए इंटू सी इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर। ये बी को हम लोग बोलते हैं, जो बी है उसको बोलते हैं ज्योमेट्रिक मीन। क्या होता है उसको, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन। ज्योमेट्रिक मीन का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू सी होता है, मीन्स बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू सी रहेगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन। ओके, ये प्लीज थोड़ा सा दिमाग में रखो कि बी स्क्वायर ए बी सी अगर कंटिन्यू प्रोपोर्शन में, तो बी इज कॉल्ड एज ज्योमेट्रिक मीन, एंड ज्योमेट्रिक मीन में क्या होता है, बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू सी। ज्योमेट्रिक मीन में क्या होगा, बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू सी। नाउ in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle means what I am going to do, I am going to draw a right angle triangle. Suppose whatever way they have drawn in textbook, I am going to draw in same way. In a right angle triangle, that is PQR, in a right angle triangle, Q is 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from opposite vertex. तो ये हो गया perpendicular segment from the opposite vertex means Q, that is right angle. So this is given. In right angle triangle, PQR, in right angle triangle PQR, segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR, that is PS and R are collinear points. So what they are asked to prove, what we have to prove, that in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment is the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex. QS is the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse. Is a geometric mean, मतलब ये QS square है, is equal to, QS square is equal to, ये geometric mean into this segment is divided. This hypotenuse is divided to how many segments? This and this. Is it right? So उसका वो geometric mean है, मतलब PS into SR. Once again, जैसे बोला था ना, A, B, C are in, तो B square is equal to AC आता है कि नहीं? They are in continuous proportion. Like that, QS square is a geometric mean between these two segments. तो PS into SR. Please ये समझ लेना. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular down to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is a geometry. This is a perpendicular segment, which is the geometric mean of the segment into which the segments, which are the segments? Segments PS and SR. तो PS and SR. अब प्रूफ तो बहुत इजी है, कुछ अगर आपको ये अभी पहला वाला थियरम मालूम पड़ा रहेगा, दिस इज वेरी इजी. हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट, इन राइट एंगल्ड triangle PQR, in right angle triangle PQR, measure of angle PQR is equal to 90 degree, correct? And segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. This PS, it is given. Correct? So we know that if it is given, then these two triangles will be similar. कैसे रहेंगे? तो ट्राइंगल P मेजर के साथ माइनर, that is Q, S के साथ S, both are 90 degree, right? And माइनर के साथ ये माइनर हो जाएगा, Q के साथ R. They are similar, और रीजन लिखना है by similarity in right angle triangle. Similarity in right angle triangle. अब हम लोग इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड लेते हैं. PS upon QS is equal to QS upon SR is equal to PQ upon QR. Result लिखेंगे CS ST. Correct? But which length is get repeated? QS वही लेते हैं फिर. PS upon QS is equal to QS upon SR. If I cross multiply, I'll get QS square is equal to PS into SR. So this segment is geometric mean between the segment in which hypotenuse is divided. So perpendicular segment is a geometric mean between the segments in which hypotenuse is divided. So hypotenuse is divided into two parts, na? PS and SR. So PS into SR. This also you are going to do it properly. This is a very important theorem and you are going to use this property many times. तो ये पूरी तरह अच्छी तरह से स्टडी करो, नहीं तो एक बार वीडियो देखो, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन क्या है, किस तरह से करना है, एंड प्लीज राइट इट 5 times. Okay? And we'll stop here only. We have studied 2 more new things, that is similarity in right angle triangle and the proper theorem about geometric mean. ये तुम्हें properly करके रखने हैं 2 theorems. Okay? We'll continue in next time.